Oh hey, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back to the channel. OLT, our license to travel. It's kind of hard packing up and leaving our last destination, Bryce Canyon National Park. After all, what little time we spent there has been just amazing. And, as I understand it, this is only a smidgen of what this country has to offer. We've made commitments, and our next stop will be something we've been waiting a year to do again. We're headed north to visit with Emily, Shelly's niece, Gunnar, her husband, and Gator, Emily's best four-legged friend, in the Provo area. That would be Springville. I don't know about you guys, but it's been a while since, and I can still remember the trials and tribulations of navigating my way through this world. I know I wasn't near smart enough to get most things right the first time, and relied on luck a lot. But did know that with a partner, going at it together sure helped to ease the pain. The last time we were here, the kitchen slide-out had broken, and Grand Design had graciously arranged for us to get it repaired for free if we could make it to Denver in a week, so we had to cut our visit short. This time, we'll get in some shopping and some dinners before breaking away and continuing north again.
Grizz is snoozing, as usual.
So right now, Gunnar is taking me over to his and Emily's place so that we can pick up some packages that we had forwarded here from back in the Phoenix area. And then we're going to go get ourselves some, I think it's some pizza, and eat into the RV and sit around and reminisce. Gator is an amazing friend and absolutely loves them. Now, he wasn't quite sure what to do with the little furry interloper, Grizz, but was pretty well behaved around him. These three, are a great team, and there are so many wonderful things waiting for them out there. We just have to remember that nothing worth doing is ever easy, but as a team, you can make it through anything.
strong, just like a love song. Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking. It's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over.
You know, you guys match.
Yeah, I realized that after on the floor.
Just look at the smiles on their faces.
No one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Hey, loving on me.
We deliberately didn't film as much with family so we could concentrate on just having fun.
And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.
And then my grandson, 2 boys. The only girl I ever had was Emily. That's why she got stuck going shopping with me all the time. Whenever she came to visit, she was only once a year. She kind of
I walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too. I want your body. I want your body. I want your body. I want your
Near the end of our stay, we got a message on social media from a family staying in the same park who had seen our channel on YouTube and was hoping to say hello. How awesome to be able to talk with fellow travelers and viewers. We messaged back and were able to meet the afternoon before we were heading out again. What an amazing person. Not only is he a traveler, he and his wife were traveling the country much like we were, just soaking in the beauty and wonder. We'd like to give a shout out to his website. Well, here, let's let him introduce himself. Okay, this is Chris, and we're with a fellow RVer that we met here at a park in, this is Provo, Utah. Yeah, Springville. And so you are?
Hi, I'm Cliff Hall. I'm originally from the Sacramento area of California, but back in October we bought our first RV, a little 22-foot RBE by Grand Design, and we've been in it ever since. And we have about 10,000 miles on it, so some of the newbie aspects have been rubbed off, but we're still learning things.
Oh, fantastic.
And we've done a lot of camping before. I have a Land Cruiser, done a lot of backcountry camping, so this is pretty luxurious compared to that. The wife thinks it's a pretty good upgrade.
I understand you're a photographer as well?
Yeah, I have a site, cliffhall.com.
Cliffhall.com.
And have a bunch of photos, mainly from southern Utah, but done some wildlife in Yellowstone and various other places, and just keeps me busy.
We'll add a link to that as well on our page as soon as you guys get a chance to see this. I appreciate you dropping over to Cliff Hall's page. That would be awesome.
Alrighty, Cliff at cliffhall.com.
Okay. Cliff, Shelly, and I talked for a better part of an hour, sharing and exchanging similar experiences of our travels. The conversation was wonderful. Thank you, sir, for your time. There are so many amazing folks out here, and it has been such a pleasure to trade experiences with you. We so look forward to this. If you guys get a chance, take a look at his website. His photography is just amazing. And leave a comment letting him know that you saw him right here on OLT. Next week, we should be in Oregon for some time with our grandkids. We sure hope you'll be back on Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time to share in our next adventure. Until then, this is Chris, Shelly, and Grizz, hoping you travel safe. Hello. Hey, it's just me. No, no, no. I'm talking to the camera. You gotta leave it be. No talking. It's my turn. No. Oh, hey. Grizzy, there's nobody there. You're ruining the shot. Shush. Hush. I get to talk, not you.